Get up.
Wait.
Come
Wait,
on.
no, just wait, no. Just
Wait for what?
wait, Rebel, just cooperate, no.
Officer, back.
Don't shoot her. Jesus Christ, Rebel.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
What going, John?
Yeah, man. What?
Can't give me a special day, but I don't have no money right now, you know.
Rebel. I'm gonna be honest with you and tell you the truth, you know. A 4 months now you owe me, you know. 4 months now you owe me. And I know you can't pay me. Nah, just say nothing, man. Me nah just say nothing.
I this, my John. A years me I spend my money on your shop, you know. Whole heap of years.
Let me ask you a question. Without money, you think your business can run? Or you think you can go to China and go just?
That's a your prerogative, you know. If me is a customer, regular customer too.
Yeah,
I'm a loyal customer.
Not a paid customer.
No man, me a loyal customer, John. I this me.
Yeah.
I hear some me spend all of my money before me go my yard, you know.
Pay me what you owe me, and then we can start over. Pay me what you owe me.
What mean if you pay you when me owe you? How much money me owe you, John? I have 5 grand me owe you, you know. I have $5,000.
Rebel, hold on, pause. Pause. You see, in this book, yeah, me write down a date and where you take at 25,000 you owe me. And that more you know.
Me owe you 25,000, John. John, I pad me bill. You pad me bill, you not thief, you know.
You want to take a look for it? You want to take a look for it?
Yo, me no want to see no book you out. Me no want to see no book. Rob me. Me your loyal customer and true me not have no money to buy special today. You can't give me a drink.
I'm matter of fact, me no sell special no
And
more.
this year, this.
Ban that.
See where you're going, you know. Our government ban special. You no want to give me.
I'm trying to tell you. Just take yourself and come out of my place.
I style me, yo.
And that, you hear me?
You're a thief.
Rebel, hear me tell you, say. Just take yourself and come out of my place. That me I try me.
You're a thief. Me not come out. You're supposed to give me a drink. I always buy ya.
Me I come put you out.
No, come take me out. And that. Come now. And that. Yo, come on now. Come on now, come on. Hey, boy.
One moment of anger can change your whole life. One wrong decision and everyone pay the price. You were warned, but you never listened. Every little argument turn into war. Always ready to fight, never know what peace is for. Everybody wrong and you're always right. Fire in your heart, you live your life to fight. Family try to tell you please just walk away, but pride not allow you to hear a word they say. Every second chance slip right through your hand. Now one reckless moment changed the entire plan. You thought that being angry made you strong, but strength is knowing when to move along. Now the door is closing and the lights are low, and you're finally facing what you refuse to know. Anger comes with a price. One mistake can change your life.
Marilyn. I want to see your face, Mr. Brown.
Right now, you know, I shouldn't even answer or serve or nothing, you know.
What me do to you?
Your sister no hold me. One big bill down here. And instead of she come pay me my money, she come want me have and lick me in my face and do me so.
My sister did that?
What you mean say for your sister? Right now a taxi me a wait pan to come pick me up for Jamaican station, you know. Cause lock me, I go lock her up.
How much money she owe you?
25,000 she owe me and I can't tell me say $5,000.
Alright. Before you call the police already?
No, me no call the police, a taxi me a wait pan for gas station.
Alright, before you call the police, just give me one chance let me talk to her and find out what happened. Because, I mean, you would have to say something to her with chica or probably.
When me fi say to your sister, you well and know so your sister have anger problem.
Well, that's true. Me don't know if I true she can't read or what makes she so ignorant, but me really sorry say she do this still.
Whether she can read or not, that is no excuse. She
I don't
she
want
give me
excuse.
face.
No, me not excuse you. Because I know she do ridiculous things all the time. But like me say, me gonna try to talk to her and see if we can get the money from her if I come pay. I'm really sorry.
Yes, sort out the money. Cause right now I just true me know you still know. But me even I rethink it right now, you know. Honestly.
I appreciate it. Just miss one for me.
Alright.
Wait. Where you go?
Every time you see me, I question the girl.
No.
Me a bigger sister, no
No.
question me youth. Don't question me, man. Every time you see me, I question me. You question me last week, you question me yesterday. Me tell you when me I go yesterday, I want to know today, yo.
No,
Now,
wait, no, this
my girl,
is...
take your hand off from me. Every time you see me, I go somewhere, I question, what am to you? You know, so me sell me little weed, me I go up on a hustling, I want to tell you what.
Still me say you go up on your...
Come if you ball out and tell the whole community what me I do, because you want police like me. Me know a long time you not like me, no girl. Me and your sister from the same mother and same father. Yo, I go on like I say we are not. Now I'm to you.
You need to calm down. You know, say you're too dark. Because where you going so far?
What you want?
Prabhu,
Alright, me I listen, me calm down. What you say? What you say now?
why you beat up the people in? Why?
You see it?
When you go grow out of them ways, yeah. Like, look at your age. You feel like you would have survived in a prison? No, be for real. You feel like you would have survived?
I did the one me did at prison.
So why you
What mouth
beat
you
up
have, you
people?
know?
Why?
What mouth you have for a long time. Me don't want you nothing from you. Cause see it, you start put down your mouth for me. Me as your bigger sister. Before you ask me when me and somebody have a contract about me beat up
No,
people.
at this point it don't matter because it's not the first time. The actions them reflect on me now and them reflect very bad. What you beat up people for?
To reflect on you. I am people in a nothing. You hear where you chat to now. You're not even calm one side when you can and say, sis,
Me can't
me here say, Ray, you can't chat about it.
one side, honestly. You go down, you owe the man money, you know how much money you owe the man.
You see the money where the man they tell you say, me owe him, if he tell you, a line they tell, me don't owe him so much money. Yes, me go in shop and go trust something.
So how much money?
For me a regular customer, he's supposed to
How
trust
much
me, of
money?
course. You go pay him?
Me want to know how much money so you could have possibly owe somebody if you take your hand put on people.
Me
How much
owe him
money
man
you
5 grand and the man tell me say me owe him 25 grand. Don't tell me nothing, because he might judge me wrongfully. The man a pad me bill. I put money pan money and say me owe him so much money. And every time me take nothing from him, he write down my name and write down the amount of thing with me trust. And when me go back at different check-ins.
So instead, why you keep on a good in shop?
Because me and him a did kind of bridging one time, but me can't believe say my style me and a distance, so I come pad me bill. And I judge me, look here, you better you lick me down and call me thief. A thief, him and I tell me say me a thief. Him
When
then
the
call
man
me and say,
call police.
call which police? For who? For what? When? Where and how? If he ever think him bad. Make him do it. Yo, sis, you know me, you know? You know me. Me not play with people. You got it?
You say you're going? Make sure you have the same energy when they lock you up. I same say if you go.
Yeah,
And when
put
they
your
lock
mouth
you
on me
up,
for.
you know, don't call
No
me.
police not lock me up. I'm not afraid of police. I'm not afraid of no civilian or police. You what you do now? Me I go family go hustling and chat about police all.
I sleep on the same side you sleep on. Cause I look a carry, you know. I tell me I say I look.
Alright, me I sit down and talk to you. Let me see. Me I hear what you say. What you say? What you say now? Talk to me.
You have to change your ways.
Me I change, yeah.
You act like a man, you know, act like a lady, you treat people, you put your one big money, put your... Ah, Mr. Brown, I eat that because all Mr. Brown make you put your hand on him. You.
So you start telling me at this me now.
No, because just imagine you down there jape up him. Just imagine you down there jape up him and what make you stay so?
You never did it, you know, Jessica. You never did it. You know, hear the man they style me. You never did it if you hear. You know, did it if you see what you do. So you not do nothing to me.
So when you do on the street, you sell a little weed and you something. You have to earn respect in the street from people so people can have your back. You can't go and deal with people so then we send police down your face.
Yeah, what you say is true. But listen to this now. Come and listen to you now. You need to listen to me too. Me not say what you say wrong. But you hear me?
Yeah, listen.
You see, in a them a time, yeah? See, if you have anybody around you and you make them feel say you're an idiot, then walk upon you.
That is true.
Like I say, you are some little doormat. And then take your chew you on the bus after. Listen to me, man. Me no want nobody think say me a no little walk over for them. A 5 grand me owe him. I mean, I give him no 25 grand. You know what? Give him this. And tell the man there. You see this? Where you see my panny?
You don't
Look.
see it easy?
No, look panny. A 3015. Take this from me. I come and you my friend. Maybe we give you back for take. The man there. You see that man there? Me now go back in shop, go trust nothing again. And tell him say anytime he see me, if he do like he not see me, if he take it the right, if he see me on the left. If me dey on the right, take it left. Or if whatever way and go on the any side he see me on, take it next side. Me know he care where you want go. That is it. And I gone, me gone. Take no chat from nobody. Yo, my youth. You know, say a good while me sit down at the place where you tell me to sit down, bro. What you mean? Usual spot where you always collect your thing. Me there so wait for you long, you know. And you know say me have a mission to go accomplish, you know, so you can't delay out the thing, you know, my youth. Right now, you me wait for to come collect your thing from me. Youth, hurry up and come. Can't wait too long at them place, you know, because you see them place are kind of busy, you know what I mean?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, so I am Officer Leng from the Roan River CIB branch. As you can see, I'm a police officer. Don't worry, man. I'm just here on a intel. I got some intel. There's a lady around here that's actually selling illegal drugs. So I just come here today on an investigation. And you actually fit the description. So I'm actually
Officer,
asking you for a search.
You know me? The first time you see me, you tell me say me fit description. You have a picture with somebody look like me? Me don't know what you talk about, you know. When you come on to them something, you can't involve me in them kind of things there.
Well, as I am saying, you fit the description. So I'm asking for a thorough search of your bag right now, your possession.
Officer, what you say? You want to search me?
Yes, that's what I came for.
You have a woman police with you? You have no right to search me without a woman there. No matter of fact, it's the woman to search me. I'm a woman. Me's not a man.
Alright, listen, lady. Let me tell you this. This is Jamaica. You see, we the police, we are governed by our own set of laws. Book and on the street are two different things. It's either you meet the judge or you meet Jamaica. Don't make it too hard for me.
I check me.
I'm not threatening you, you know. It's a promise. So it's either or either.
Alright, officer, hold on there. You don't have to move so fast, you know. May I comply? They say one from me.
I need to search your bag.
You can search my body, you know. Or if you don't want to search,
Come on, just give me the bag. Because I can shoot you right now, you know. And plant a gun upon you, you know.
so you can't just step back. You can't just.
Lady.
Alright.
Stand down. You know, me really know. Me know I got a funeral. Me know I got a funeral right now, you know. Because I don't like funeral, you know. Let's see what I go on my bag. You just make you out to police. So make you not comply. Stand by and don't move. Kayate. And don't say the next word. I search your bag. Watch you. Oh my word. So, you and me already know why in I bag. So you know what got me now? A station thing, you know. You know same thing the illegal long time. But you take a risk.
Officer, you know me? You know me? Officer, you don't know me, you know? You can't give you a thing, you know? You can't give you a thing and you just let me go on. You don't have to make it reach so far. You don't have to carry go a station.
We say give me a thing.
Yeah, me can't give you a thing. And you just make it go on. Why you really want to take me bag and carry me go a station when you can just deal with it right here?
This a one officer when you take bribe. And you see this? Worse not take bribe. Where you live with?
Me and my sister live in her.
And your sister?
Yeah.
What your sister name?
My sister named Jessica Trump. Round a Basida walk we come from in around this how we live.
Okay. So Jessica your sister?
Yeah, my sister.
Good Jessica?
And me and her live.
You must be kidding me. You know what? If you're glad today, you know, so I know Jessica, you know. But anyways, you have to come go past station and see me. You have to bring me in. Like Mike, everything I record right now. And the camera me have for me. Just do the needed. Not even handcuff you. Go on, go on. Man. Go on, Miss Lady.
Hello?
Yo, sis.
Yeah, really.
I hope you're not busy, you know. Right now, I show you know, Jano, I want wait. Yo, Star, you know, say them hold me there up a station.
What?
You can come up here.
What you do this time?
Sis, you know, say I bag of weed with me have it. Them see me with it, you know, and them go on pan it. And them a tell me how much pound I want it for sing.
Bro, but me not understand you know, we not just did I talk about this just took a while.
Yes, sis, but you
But what
don't know already, you know, say, me have to hustle, you know. It's a hustling thing, you know, this world. You have to hustle in there. You can't just sit down and rely on people like that, you know.
what
Cause
then say
people
me
is
need?
styling and use you.
Alright. What then say me need for bail you?
Oh, me not think you have to go carry nothing, you know, because police tell me, say, him know you, you know. Cause me tell the policeman your name and, you know, full description of you, everything, and him say him know you. He say, if you just come down here.
Alright, make up put on some clothes and come.
Yeah, man, just come down here, man. Me a wait for you, you know, sis.
Yeah, morning.
Jessica, good morning.
Morning.
So you reach.
What my sister do?
You know, say, a one big bag of weed we catch her with. I know that section 68 of the law book, only 2 ounces of weed a person supposed to can carry that in possession. And we actually find out weed, about 5 pounds of weed. So I tell you come right now. And let me feel like her up, you know. I realize a whole heap of other things the sister get carrying for all the time. A lot of things lost in it. Theft, criminal activities and them something there. And you know, say this go to the judge. Judge now got no lenience for her.
Give her a chance because if you book her right now, me have to find the money to start it out. I mean, I have that. So me beg you to give her a chance. Like just one last time.
You know, say, I just because I know your reputation. I know say she's a very good lady. Because you see your sister, I read her name in the book, you know. And so the name in her red, in the government system, and nothing good. But please, courtesy, one last courtesy, I'm going to let her.
Thank you. How long the process will I take?
We're going to deal with her right now, man. But to see next time, I mean not me, Angler case. So make sure to warn her. Because I might get transfer or something.
Right.
You know when the government system. So I'm going to let her go.
Thanks. upset about?
Me see man then take with me weed star. When me upset boy, you know how much money me pay for that? A real kush that in sis. At 250,000 for 1 pound of kush. You know how far me take taxi and go for that?
You want bet me say if you did that deal with people better in the street, this would happen to you? Okay? This have to be a sign for the better honesty. This have to be your sign.
Today, you see today wasn't the day for me. Today not for me day. Can't believe, you know say I trust the weed though. I mean I have to go pay back Jimmy the money for the weed. I mean not make no money and fight.
Well, you see long time I'm take for come. Me get all the time for think. And you see this not fear happen. Me not fear sit here down and I talk to you. It should be the other way around. You're my older sister, you're not lead. You're not dominate. You do all of the wrong things them. What is wrong with you?
You way I say me nah dominate, me nah lead.
No, sir, you're not one good influence. And if me never strong, rebel, me are the same thing them what you do too. No, here's the thing. Me go call my friend and ask me if he have no job available. And if he say yes, you're going down there to work, and me not ask you, tell me I tell you.
How can I hurt that?
What the people, me don't know what you would have available. Me go call people.
No,
It does not matter what kind of work it is, because you need to pay back the people them. So you don't
again.
need to think about it too much.
That's true, that's true. Anyway, sis, you don't have to worry about me still, you know.
Oh, no worry.
No, me no mean that way, the man.
Oh.
You know, say I'm my sister, you know, and you love me, you know. Me love you too, you know. But here, you know, no. Me I take your words. Me I listen to you. Me change you now. Me not gonna be the same again. Yeah, man, just believe, huh?
Me, I believe it because I first time they said to me, say, yeah, change. I first time they say, calm down and talk to me like this. So, like I say, I'm going to start out the work for you. I'm going to make a couple calls. And anything available, we just work with it and try to get back the money together for give the people. In the meantime, you figure out what you're going to tell the week. What his name?
Jimmy.
Yes, if you go, we are going to tell him and we try work for the money together. I'm going to help you to the best of my abilities because at the end of the day, we live together. I don't want nobody to do nothing.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Oh, this is my sister.
Ah,
Rebel.
why? Come down as soon as I can. Sorry, a little bit late and stuff. Yeah, man, but me have a position ready for you and stuff in front and things.
Right,
So-
about that. It's not for me, it's for my sister.
So,
Right.
is sister?
Yes, she is.
Oh, you know, something say you say like you it's true that do a wedding is like some why I kind of get distracted. I think you say you didn't want to work.
No, that won't be an issue, right?
No, not really. No, everything all right.
Okay, well, this is Rebel, and she
What's your name?
Rebel. Well, her actual name is Rebella.
Mm-hmm.
Right. She is not exactly qualified for the job because she has never really like worked at 9 to 5. However, she will catch on easy. You know, she learns fast. She will get it.
Hold on. So, what's that? Rebel?
Hi.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Well, actually, I did tell you I have a,
Mhm.
a opening for the front there. Actually, so she. Well, I should be talking to her. You know, you shouldn't be explaining everything for her and stuff. What? I mean, you never worked at the front desk before, Rebel? Never.
No,
Never.
no.
I like an easy 1, 2, 3. You know, so actually, we have a space still because actually I told your sister that I have availability. Sorry, I guess but you understand how the work things there and stuff what and
Right. But like I said, she has never really worked at 9 to 5, but she will get it. One step at a time and she'll get it. It'll go work a while.
actually we have to go really start training her from scratch then because I mean actually
Hold on there, sir. So the pay go. Me need to know how much money me I go get, you know.
well I'm gonna give you this something here to sign up because it's not everything.
What kind of something me I go sign up, car? Me not
have a
sign up
little-
money right now.
Actually, anyway, just read your son, sign up and stuff. And
I'm not ready to sign it yet, sir. I'm soon sign that.
Is it possible for me to sign it?
no, she actually has to do. You can't do it for her.
Hello, hello, sir. No disrespect, but me can't bother with the 8 o'clock thing, you know. Cause me have to sleep and get some rest.
No, listen, we open at 9 here. All right? And actually, you have to be here from 8:45 to get the place ready and up and running. Because 9 o'clock you open, people will be at the gate coming in. So you have to
So
be
who
at
come
this
come
point.
up the place? I mean,
No. You don't
Oh.
worry about that part. No, you just, anyway. Jessica?
Yes.
You know, actually, we can talk to you a minute, please?
Sure.
Yeah, man, that's all. All right, look here. Whatever. Anyway, just sign up yourself. Hold this a minute until I come. All right? Okay, come here. Come here. You know, say, I thought it was you who wanted to work.
Well, I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. It won't be an issue, right?
No, because I don't tell her that I have availability. You sure she's a sister that?
Yes, I get this question a lot, believe me.
No, listen. Boy, you know, discrimination, I can't go because of the hair thing, but I mean, she'll have to be properly attired and stuff. You think that I can steer her because, trust me now, her body language and everything, it is just no.
This is still her personality, you know, so it's gonna take some time, but hopefully it works out. I'm praying that it works out. Just give her a chance.
You know, so to be honest with you, I feel like, you know, when somebody just chose and pick the pants somebody and run left them and so, I just feel like that to them, I swear. Because I know you and so forth and thing, but boy, you know, so I'm going to just do it just for you still.
Thank you.
I'm just going to do it for you, but boy, I tell you.
And I promise me I'm gonna do my part from home to me try my best to go back, but
Make sure. Anyway, I don't even know if it tell you. All right, come on. Oh.
how me can't sign it up, my sister go sign it for me. How happen? If you give me work, you give me work, sir. Just give me this. My sister will sign it. She can read. Me can't read. You see me tell you already. Me not understand. Me just go do your work. Make she sign it for me. Or up and sign it now.
okay. How do we proceed?
You just all right, sign up here.
Remember, say me and I have the same father. And you always have forgot my last name.
Just give me a minute.
Manny Moore, my last name. Rebella Manny Moore. But I put for your last name there.
Where's your number?
Me don't know. You did last from Melissa gone. Me don't know where the money.
That's essential enough.
Alright, the TRN is in an A, so when she come here, we can get that information from her when she start. She can feed me the body. Okay.
You can start right now.
No. Actually, you can't tire like that, you know. No. All right. So anyway, today is what? All right. Let me show come.
So you gonna be my boss or are you supervisor?
You'll see when you come.
I know you're not telling me how much pay me I get, sir. You just want to come work me out. You know that, you know. I'm ready. Me get you work.
Master, thank you so much for this.
All right.
Okay.
So yeah.
What time if you start? Or 9 o'clock, you say?
Just stop. Stop it. Yes.
Be here 8:45 tomorrow morning. All right.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, man. All right. Cool.
Thank you.
All right. Why do you seem like I want to try instant to get? Let me just look. Excuse me. What's your name again?
Family working and know my name.
No, you just started, so I don't really know your
Then
name.
look from when we come from morning. You never hear me say? My name Rebel. Where you want?
It's nice to meet you, Rebel. I just wanted to tell you that the small envelopes, you put two passport size picture in the smaller one, and in the big ones, you put 6 to 4, so that you don't get it confused.
Let me tell you something. Mind your own business. I'm not working with you. You any boss related? Eh? Where they come question me for? Do for your work, me I do my work. How this concern you? Me not work with you. Not too fast, man. Me look like idiot to you. I'm a tough fact. Me look like idiot to you. Me a idiot?
No, how could I even suggest that?
Okay, you better not. You look like me I make mistake to you. You know, see them pack nice and neat and everything. I want to you. Look. See there. See how you make me I pull them up back off and me fix them already. Want to you.
So why you behaving like that?
Because you talk to me, you're not supposed to talk to me. You see me I talk to you? Me I do my work. Mind your business. Fast like hour. Me busy with you.
Mr. Vassal,
Go on.
I want you to just look at this report. By the way, could I ask you a question, sir?
Yeah, man, go on.
Um, the lady that you hired, I believe her name is what, Rebel?
Yeah, what happened now?
Um, I don't want to sound disrespectful or tell you how to run your business, but are you hired?
Obviously, she there front.
To tell you the truth, my boss, you know, say just a while ago, may I just tell her one simple task, say, if you put the two passport size picture in the small envelope and the other ones in the big one. And you know, so she just cussed me out, basically jumped on my throat.
At the front desk.
Yes, boss.
The customers were in here.
No, nobody never did it, but
Jesus Christ.
I'm not trying to inform or tell you to fire or anything like that. But how you hire her?
Why, if I ever tell you the long story, I thought, our sister was the one that wanted to work. I know her sister for a while, and I thought that was sister wanted to work, but actually because I told her I have space, I have to just stay along and
I lose one bit.
you're being sarcastic now.
Tell you the truth. Alright, tell me the truth. Are they you and her there?
Look here, man, get serious, man. You think that I could be with somebody like that? Eh?
No,
Look at her attire, look at her. That look like a man. Where I look like to you? Eh? You think I could rub down something like that and the head look so? Come on, man. You know me better than that, man. God, man. Come on, man. Get better question.
Mr. Vassal.
Eh.
I to tell you the truth, when I first work here, you never really want to hire me because I had locks, and you gave me a chance. And I'm not trying to discriminate, but she have a bully attitude.
Well, your luck situation work out for you. You're still here and it's okay. That is the reason why I can't really say anything about here. Because you're here and we get a little chat. Anyway, no, that makes sense. Just, she won't last long. Trust me on that. She won't last long. All right? You just, any little thing she do, you just come and tell me. All right?
All right, sir.
Yeah, man, just come and tell. She's not going to last long here.
Yeah.
All right?
So you're going with Gigi. Long time I don't see from them school days time, Kind of busy and all over the place. Glad to see you still. Bless up yourself, man. One love every time. I can't forget them long time days when we used to go to school, we did bad, Remember when I jumped the fence? 2 hours school that day there. Yeah, man.
I get some lick that day because the boy had tear me uniform. My mother nearly killed me with lick. Why may I tell you?
Back in the
Those were the
days.
days,
Yeah, man.
Why? And so when he's a child, you act like a child. And when he becomes grown up, put away childish things on. But it's terrible when we are at school still, and tell no lie,
I know, man.
All the one Mr. McNeil him. You remember that man there?
Me don't like him,
Oh God.
You know, so one evening he beat me and tell the principal lie for me.
Enough things
Me
that man there.
almost see here that make me get expelled from school. That's why you need to see me
You
come
did
back.
terribly, You
Yes.
fling it dust, the man take it dust, and like you take it dust, and fling and lick back, man. You did awful for true.
Anyway,
Anyway,
tell you when me come out.
them the sickness.
Girl, you know the police hold me the other day though. Hold me good hold. A lucky thing the police know my sister. It's me that go to jail.
Like, seriously, Rebel?
Yeah, man.
So, Rebel, but I think I change, man.
Me have no money. I will never change. Me is me. I will always be a rebel. I am a rebel. And I will forever stay a rebel. What you chat about? This one me I say.
You really better you be money more than Rebel, you know, in a real life, you know. You know, see.
Then the money me I try make the police hold me. You know, make me finish talk to you.
But you know, see your time I run.
Gigi, stop watch your time when you run.
All right, talk.
And see if you can run less your time.
It's all right, talk.
Listen what me I say.
Listen to what you
You what me I say, man. You know say police youth hold me. And take away one heap of weed from me. Yo, the weed think. If a policeman even never open the bag and go in there, the scent to the liquor fin was. Me want run and me can't run, you know, can creep up back at me, you know. In can me go to station, but you know my sister, me never get locked up. Me no bother going to jail nor nothing. He let me go. But yo, right now, you know, one deep situation. Cause yo, no say weed when me take from the man though. Me never pay for it, you know.
Say police not give back your weed.
Give back what? I can't link you for your thing, you know, because you go want about
If you say me want.
250,000 figure that them and then, you know, the weed there, you know.
So much money.
Actually, me always buy weed from him, making give me feel that. Then the weed they dearer than that. Me will give you back. Cause me a work, you know. My sister get a little thing for me, you know. I don't want a photo studio place, but here now you sit down there, so. You know what me take it? Just to please my sister. You know, say me not deal with them the kind of work. Them the work they can't pay me.
But a Rebel at time for you change your lifestyle.
Chicken feed money, me no work for you.
Time for you change your lifestyle. But you eat little and eat long. And prevent prison jailhouse not nice, you know?
That gone through me years. Them their chicken feed money. And then the boss want come go on like he want talk to me anyhow. Me not like him, you know. I train know say me all want bust up the boss face, you know. But
no bother with
no
that,
man, my sister save him because my sister know him. Me no know a little idiot boy who own the place down there so. Want me take how much picture every day. And they give me one little idiot money.
Actually, me and a friend make me go lend him money, you know. Because you know, say Patrick and one easy man, you know. You see how he terrible on him out. Actually, me learn off of him, girl, but I can't deal with him. So here what I go, I'm going to lend you the money and stay in your work. Rebel, stay in your work. Yes, when you stay in your work there, your week can't able to pay me back. So you see when you pay me back, Rebel, if you want left work that time, left work. Rebel, me I talk to you, you gotta stay in the work, Rebel.
Yeah, man.
Rebel, make up your mind, Rebel, before me give you the money.
Yeah, man, me a stay in there. Me a stay in there, man.
How much you say you want?
Me need a 250,000. Yo, Jimmy. What I deal with? You think me carry come give you a star? You know, say, me a talk for a long time, you know. Me like what you do for me, you know. Yeah, man, for a long time, and if you...
Yeah, talk for a long time and a couple days now, me not see.
Boy. You hear me? You know, so me did kind of get in a one little piece of trouble, though. A little piece, no whole heap, cause me didn't go behind the bars, you know. But then hold on for me and take with the whole bag of weed and buy from you know, my youth.
Buy. You know, buy it.
I buy still all when time you trust me to buy. Can you not give me for free? I still buy.
So yeah, so then take away everything.
Then take away the whole bag of weed from me. Me get locked up and me did it for a few hours. Well, you know, and my sister if come bail me, you know. A lucky thing my sister know the police, you know. There's a knock more that get, you know. Boy, hold on for my bag of weed and I go on like he want to style me pan it, you know. Yo, I you know me. I did want to take off the thing off inside, you know, and done him right there. So, but you see, I'm my sister, man, I'm my sister. Me think about. See, she alone I go in a stress and the problem. You understand me? So, me just no bother. Me just easy and calm see and just give him the bag.
So, you don't make no money none at all?
You know, so I don't make no money. I want to brethren, me borrow money from fi come give you it back. Because I know say me way, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. Me I give it, man. So, I like do, you know. The 250,000. I hate that.
250,000.
I hate that, man. I choose some US in there, you know. $100 US and some 5,000 Jamaican and some 2,000 Jamaican and some 1,000.
But this I don't feel like
He look
too
little,
much.
but I eat that. Just check you when you're going.
No, man, I don't need to check him. I need to weigh it.
I eat, man.
Mm.
I will like me give you, man.
Alright.
250.
Anything you see, alarm. Alright, so hold on. What more want to know? So you don't want nothing more? Because me have here, you know. We have all a new strain. When you're in jealousy.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know. Get a little job, you know.
Mm.
I don't want to disappoint my sister, you know. Because she get it for me.
Oh.
A normal pre-man, when I'm ready, me can link you, see him.
Alright, anything
Alright,
you
bless
see.
up yourself, Karina. Come down and me have to go, you know.
Alright.
I'm on a fast move. You know, so me ever on a mission.
Alright.
No say 40, no say 40. Link up.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Evening.
Evening. Where you come from?
Come for correct my picture.
Eh?
Come for correct my picture.
Where your name?
Diva, so you see it on the receipt.
What? Diva, so.
Yeah.
Well,
Come early, I come take some picture.
sit here. Your name is sit here, take it. Diva.
No, I know me. I know me that miss.
Little boy. See your name, yeah?
Lancelot Davis, that miss, that's not me.
Lanwish Slat.
Lancelot Davis.
Where just tell me say your name, boy?
D Vassal.
Okay. D Vassal Mark Pandy.
Lancelot
You
Davis.
learn to read. I will feel appearance.
And you cannot read.
I mean,
Lancelot
wait, no,
Davis.
Hold on. Boy, you're not even looking at your envelope to see if I feel your picture in it. You rank with me. Some of your size. Little boy. I come and workplace to this me.
Miss me.
So if you want to teach you no respect, listen to me, you know what? Since as you don't know your name and you don't know your name spell, now ask me for nothing. Where you want to say, little boy? Me can't read.
You cannot read, miss.
As the great man, drop you and back in your face.
Hold on.
I decide this in my workplace.
Listen, what seems to be the commotion here? What's happening?
Dirty idiot boy, I come and go and style me.
No, we can't
I
class.
tell me idiot customer we can't read.
You cannot class a
You
customer
cannot
dirty.
read, miss.
What seems to be the problem?
You know,
Sir,
No.
sir, if she touched me, that's assaulting her. She attacked
No, sir.
Lancelot Davis. I gave her the D Vassal receipt, and she's giving me Lancelot Davis. I can read. She cannot read it. She's illiterate.
Hold on, calm down. What you saying name?
see there.
D Vassal.
Look, see there, I Divas lad.
No, this is Lancelot Davis. Listen, hold on.
Lancelot Rich Davis, you are next one.
Divas, we say.
Actually, you want
Yes,
if you
sir.
come back from
Yeah, okay, I apologize. Sorry
That's
about
okay,
that.
sir. Thank
Come on.
you.
And
Look
go
here.
about your business.
Listen, man. This is not how we do things here.
What do you mean, sir?
We don't deal with the customers like that. The customers are always right.
How where you get them the kind of rule like that?
What do you mean that kind of rule? Listen, I can lose a customer right now. You know.
So,
Him
all
not-
that will lose the customer, sir. No disrespect. Just listen to me for a minute. And make one customer come disrespect your worker. I know. Which one you prefer?
I prefer to lose the worker because you can't pay me, him pay me. Listen, hold on, man, back up. Wait. Spaghetti strap.
Yes.
I didn't even notice.
Want to make close, sir?
Cannot wear that at the front desk.
You know, see, I saw my wow.
We have AC in here. What you need?
And every time I come to work, you turn it down. I say me not pay bill. What is the problem, sir? You want me to work or you don't want me to work? I want.
Listen to me. Listen. Anyway, that is not how we do things here. We do things here in a calm manner. We deal with the customers them right. And just you need to calm down. Just you having the problems?
Look here, you see, anytime you can talk to your wife and tell her if you calm down, you tell me if you calm down. You can't make no customer come in and come deal with me, so. You mad? You know my name? Eh? Rebel, don't play with me.
Have a seat.
Oh, I'm in a business, so you want to go tell me, sister, say me no care.
All right, have a seat.
You no can't come with me and work on the workplace and then you no come
Have a
deal with
seat.
me so about customer come first. You no idiot.
Have a seat.
Make nobody else come in and come chat to me. You will see left out at the same time.
You see that it's your place.
Hey.
Wow. You know, me call her for meeting here so still, because I don't want, it's something pertaining to your sister. It's something I want to ask you. I want you to be truthful to me. The lady you sent to me, is your sister for truth?
Yes.
Is a blood sister?
What is going on?
She has no whatsoever qualities like you. So I am kind of confused. I don't see no farmer relation like she act like you, nothing like that. I mean, I understand she's totally opposite you.
Right, because several brothers have a different mind. What's the issue?
I have a lot of issues at the place there. First of all, she's running away the customers. She behaves boisterous for no reason. She wears whatever she wants. She come in there when she feel like. And worst of all, she's disrespecting me in front of the staff. I can't allow that.
Alright. But when she come home and I ask her always work, she tell me everything is good, so you never know say I have issues.
She will tell you anything, but to be honest with you, I don't think I can afford to keep her. No.
Mr. Boston, just like me tell you say it gonna be a rough start.
Listen to me. It's not rough. That tempestuous or what you want to call it, more than rough. Because I have never had anybody disrespect me and I've ever had like issues at my place in such a short period of time.
And I am apologizing. I'm so sorry that happened, but just give her some time. It's not even a month good. Me tell her say it's gonna be rough. Just do this to me now, please.
Everything that happened there, I do it for you.
I appreciate it.
But, all right, listen to me. You probably have to go talk to her or something, but to be honest with you, this is the last straw. I'm going to give her one more chance. If you were there and you see how she deal with me, you probably would do the same thing that I was thinking of doing. So, just on your behalf, I'm going to give her one more chance.
So thank you.
So you're going to have to talk to her.
Definitely.
Because I won't tolerate it anymore. All right?
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Buster. Thanks. We'll talk to her. Here we are again, the same situation. Me, as a younger sister, still gonna fear school about things where you're not fear do. Why your problem?
You know, I've nothing to do. What fine sitting doing in the house when I leave me alone? I want you. Every time you come and talk and tell me about me and younger sister, so what? Yes. Me all I want, that's enough. You talk to me anyhow, Okay. You know now.
You know where I come from?
Me no business where they come from.
You need
and me no want no neither.
You need to know.
If you know me, no, you no chat to me. Because if I tell you, they can't tell me, so nobody tell you nothing about me. Look here. Take it back. I don't care about go give back to somebody because I no want to hear it.
Well, I got hear it today. You need to change, You promise me, say you're going to pay your best behavior. You go down to the people in the workplace and I'm fool yourself. What's your problem?
How again? How?
You go work and I disrespect everybody.
Me?
No, me.
So me just get up and disrespect people like that because me an idiot. And you have sense.
Apparently
that's
you're an idiot.
Apparently you're an idiot. Somebody start disrespect you. Where you come about now?
You do work and I disrespect people, me just say it. That cannot happen.
Me? And that you say, and you want me to listen. Oi, you're not even ask me.
Me no need for ask because I know you.
You know me. So true, you know me. Everything people tell about me, I go believe. Like say, I figure so.
Me don't ask
so me can't write no tell.
Me don't how you write? How you
ever wrong? Just you.
Listen.
I mean like make me go wrong forever and ever.
Rebel, sometimes and everything you have to be defensive about.
Well, you could dirty idiot man tell us down there. How? When tell us say? Cause like how me not like that? When tell us say? Because I must day on him there. Make you come just a throw down everything for me so.
Excuse me?
You're not even going to ask me no question. Everything then tell you believe.
Just cut it out, Rebel. Cut it out. Because what you mean by? What you mean? There's no way me go out and my weird try to help you keep a job and this a whole year behave. You see the amount of effort me have to put in to help you keep one job. And I mean to benefit in you. The only thing they said to me, I tear me down emotionally. Everything, your sister this, your sister this, your sister this, your sister this. And me I tell you, Rebel, me I tell you. If I because I mean bad things that happen to you already, Me not ask you.
Sorry, so me and sister, what you mean?
Sometimes sorry because what is this? What is?
See no analyze me and done. Get rid of me.
Me can't deal with it.
Sorry,
Rebel,
just
just
sorry.
do better. Just do better now. What happened? What
You know
happened?
that I did,
Tell me.
no, you're talking.
Just tell me.
That you did for ask me from you come. This idiot customer will come there. I come chat about him no name this and him no name that. After he tell me his name already and then me take up the envelope and give him. When the boy look on him, he can't say he can't read it. I can't tell me about this and my name miss. Like me an idiot. And me know where they pan and when he say
Just stop talk. Just stop talk. Just you disrespect somebody over that, Rebel? Seriously?
me just anything when they do to me down there, anything when happen to me just out.
Yes, take it. Just take it and try change. That's all me I say to you.
Yeah, me go easy man. You not for yourself. I know say me love you already.
Woman still come and mess up with things. So I tell boss say she can't keep the woman there, you know.
Where do you so? On my working spot, this is where you work there. You can't even spell computer, you're gone funny. Me can spell computer, and me then should have put around that and give you this. Where you come here so fast in my business for? I want you. Move from my workplace. Listen to me, little idiot. Where the work here so all long and going like you so a fear. You think me no know you do? So you get the subject of informer. So informer subject you pass and get this a work here. Look here. Stop calling up my name to your boss. You hear me? You don't know me, you know? You don't know me. You know who me? Remember say my name Rebel. Me no play with people. Me no want you come call up my name to your boss. Are your father? By the way, me need to ask you that from the beginning from me the work here from the other day. Are your papa? Why you carry my name to him? A more money you want or a promotion you look? Which one of them?
Rebel, right now you're spitting on me.
No call me name. Me should have spit in your eyelash make you blind, but you come dismantle up my things them. Come tell like me say I me set them so. And somebody left them, you know?
Listen to me. Calm down for a second. It is currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I had just come into work.
So?
That is why I'm here, doing your work.
Me know why you do nothing for me. You see me run the computer? I think so you belongs.
Who tell you?
Not so.
Who tell you say I told the boss that you were doing your work wrong?
Me look like an idiot to you?
You sure say I'm answer that?
My name. And when me a talk, no talk neither. You feel say you own something and work with you and you have to pay me.
Listen to me. I don't even want to answer your question, because if me answer you, I'm going to be disrespectful. So please, thank you.
Disrespectful? You know me? You know me? Disrespect you.
Hold on. Miss Rebel, wait. No. Miss Rebel, come here. Come here, have a word with you. Come here. Come in the office. Come here. Bossy. Miss Rebel, come here. Bossy.
You're dead in I sure.
Stand up. You cannot be fighting off the worker, your co-worker.
Sorry,
Yeah?
sir.
There's no sorry in it. You think I look a patty shop place me run? Eh?
You know, you say sorry.
Sorry won't cut it.
You know, you're so good, sir. You don't look like you're so good. You don't look like you're known tall. So, hold on there. So, 2 me I just come. And them a long timer. You know a thing say. You have one little right to come ask me. As I just come say. What was the problem or what is the problem? What caused this?
Let me
You not think, look here, don't make me get stammer, sir, because you see, anytime I get stammer, I turn idiot and I already a fool.
I know.
You know, want you come go on like I say, 2 them a long time staff and me just come. You think me don't notice? Me notice the whole line, you know, the whole line, me notice, you know, the palm me.
We're not going to here now. Listen to me. Let me show you something.
You know, like me.
I'm going to show you one thing. Look here. Look here. What is this? So everything that goes on around it, I see. And I see you jog up the young man.
You see, but you not hear.
I don't have to hear.
You not hear when you say to
Anyway,
me,
I
I will
shouldn't-
cause the problem. But you see,
I should not be arguing.
for your family.
Anyway, I should not be arguing with you.
Me not argue, sir.
This is your 3rd strike. And your 3rd strike, you know what that means? Eh? That is it. No, I'm not. No, I didn't.
No business, you know.
All right.
Nothing or anything. And then you call me sister, you know, you're not going to like you and make my sister know about this, you know, because you know someone going to go on my case and make me and my sister and things, you know.
I have to go let you.
Let go who?
Me have to go let you go.
If you let me go, you have to give me my money. No. Once me I get fire, me need my money.
pay-
And me make no noise in ya.
We pay a monthly basis. On a monthly basis, we pay. But listen to me. As soon as month end come,
pay monthly.
I will send the money to you. All right? But we can't afford to keep it. So you have to go.
Me a bank account. Hey,
Listen
here.
to me. It's not going to work.
Whether
out. So you
you're
have
boss or you're grass, me no response. Me want me money. And that me I tell you.
So hold on. You really assault
I want me money.
You really assault me. That's
I
what
want me money.
But you know easy.
And me money me want. You don't understand that one day?
Listen, get out my place.
Hello.
Get out.
Get out of where? Me not leaving until the I get the I money. What me say?
You know what you sign for? On a monthly basis, you get paid. You know what you sign for? Eh? You know what you sign for? Yeah.
Hey boy.
Yeah.
No.
You know what you just
You with me now?
You know what you just do?
You don't know who you're the
You know what you just do?
You know me?
Eh?
Where you know me from? You know me sister? You know me?
Like
You know me? If you give me no talking in, boy, you just get. Hey, don't make me start.
Listen to me.
You get me
Just let
pan
me get up.
I
Let me-
But I don't really talk to you so silent, you know. Me, hours work.
You're never good, man.
Why?
Police, open up. Nobody no move. Easy on the trigger 40 leg. Me know them. I got this. If you say I want to ride this up, I share a target. If she move an inch,
Wait.
terminate.
Excuse me?
You may have to make it. I see the mission here. I come to kill him.
What?
Oh, listen, I'm sorry for coming like this now with an operation, major operation. And I have to do my job as well.
Major operation, pound.
Yes, and your sister will come for.
Why you come from the sister?
Because your sister, she's a menace to society. She behave too much now and me can't save her. You know you're going.
What happened?
I owe you a case of sister cause in a workplace. Nearly murder the boss. Right now, murder. Intention to murder.
No, Rebel. No. Rebel, what you do? What you do?
Like boy, I tell for me.
As a matter of fact, get up right now. Get up.
Wait.
Come
Wait, no, just wait, no. Just
Wait for what?
Wait, Rebel, just cooperate, no.
Officer, back.
Jesus Christ, Rebel.
Yo, I don't want
Just please, don't
Hands behind the back.
me can't bother with this,
yo.
you know, man.
Come operating our 40 leg.
No, man. You know, don't yet, man. Put your hand back on you.
Just, Rebel, just cooperate. Just focus on me, Rebel.
Yeah, I'm going.
Just focus on me, Rebel. Please, wait, Rebel.
Your life long and your tail, if you
Me can't bother, you know, man. Listen to me, Rebel. Me gonna fix it. I promise you. Which station in our career go? Which station? Leng, which station? You're proud of yourself? No, seriously, you're proud of yourself?
That's how about.
Where you get to, you know? Rebel, there's a high possibility that you might not come out. If you tell the people who are going to charge you with attempted murder, and you don't care, you don't have no remorse, you no business.
When me a remorse over, you dead? I am my sister. You dead? No.
See,
All you have to do just get a lawyer for me, my youth.
how much to get one lawyer? Okay, where money?
Don't worry about the money. Maybe sort it out and give you back and you give back the person.
Oh, so you have somebody to borrow money from people?
But you can borrow it.
Borrow money from, tell me.
You have a whole heap of friend out there, so you and them a friend, they will lend you.
Me can get the money, you know, but who for name me? What me want the money for do?
For
What?
bail me.
Oh, okay, and
get
somebody
a lawyer.
get money for bail. You wouldn't feel like say, it's a check to everybody?
So me and my sister, where you put that in a people head for the people then tell you that?
It's, everybody knows say they are jail. Everybody know and there's something where you hide. Everybody do
That you come to talk about. That you talk about.
I said, you might not come out. Me I tell you what the police them explain to me. Me I tell you what can happen. And me can't even say me disappointed in you because me expect this. Me go out and over here, me get work pay, me beg still. And you go down there go beat up your man, you broke your ribs, you drawing blood, remember? What kind of demon in you?
You know what him do? I'm demon in
It's not matter when you don't have no right to put it on for nobody. You constantly do it and me I tell you, say, Rebel, me no know what I keep you. But me no know you not mess with the wrong person yet, you know.
Look where you come up here to talk about. For you tell me say you get a liar for me and
Where
get...
you get your money from?
And you see them put me in them clothes. I'm not even zip up because look what they ain't give me. When you can't close to me, you come and chat about this and that. Me no want hear nothing, man. That the man they deserve. Me tell you something. The police them round this up. I mean, not tell you no lie. You see what you get? You deserve.
Alright. Brother, me have figure out
Never say
something.
if you go to the police them that.
Figure out something and then make you know. Do you hear? Because you
Just get the money for me. Don't worry yourself, man. Me go pay you back in a sis.
Yes, so we have the female in custody right now.
Yes, man.
So,
Quite
Mr.
right.
Vassal, do you want to press charges? Or you want to just compromise the case and she'll pay for the medical bills?
What? You come like say you mad. Boss man, me a big man and look at me big. I get some lick only donkey know them. Zin?
Well, just by looking, it seems like your hand is fractured and you have a...
It's not fractured, boss. It come like you did extend lacerate, you know. You have a lot of stitches here. My head. Look here. Look at my face. Eh? Right now, embarrassment for see my size and that woman floor me and deal with me, say no. That is a dangerous woman that shouldn't be on the road. Slide. You crazy man?
Yes, I understand. You're a businessman now, well-known businessman. Do you want this propaganda to be on the news?
Look here. For when me go through, I care zero. That woman should not be on the road, boss man. I'm mad woman that. If she do me this, eh? What she gonna do to somebody else? No man. Attempt murder, you know. Me have a big cut on my head right around here, so boss man.
Okay.
Big cut on my head right here, so.
Okay.
The woman have the knife. You know what the worst thing? Eh? Listen, me have camera my place, you know.
Alright, so the head concussion and the fracture of the hand and stuff like that, allegedly you said it was a female.
Boss man.
Are you sure?
You're not listening to me now. Me have a big cut in my head, boss man. It's not a concussion.
Because the beating we
A
get,
knife wound, eh?
that actually look like a radically outrageous beating you get.
Call it what you mean, boss
Are you
man.
sure it's that female in there?
It's that same woman, boss man, and who else?
Okay, that's
As I said, I have camera footage. Just look at the footage. The woman dealing with a wicked man. She not to be on the road, boss man.
okay.
I care zero about whatever one press or whatever. I'm big Mr. Vassal get.
Alright.
I care zero.
Alright, because
Do your job.
the law is the law is the law.
Yeah, man. Do
Right?
your job, boss.
And I have to do the right thing.
Yes, man. All I need is justice. I don't want nothing else. Justice. And you know, out of curiosity, you know, for some reason, I just think, say, you're sure, say, you don't know them people are becoming like how you sound, you know, sound like you know, as an officer. Sorry if I judge you, but, you know, me not, you know, maybe you know people or something.
Well, you know, as I said, allegedly you got some beating from a lady. I don't really know her like that.
Okay.
But,
Alright.
you know, you say you need justice.
Justice, that's all I ask for.
Yeah, you're gonna get justice, man, definitely. So the court date is set. So we'll reach out to you.
Alright, boss.
Just take your time, man. Pain is weakness leaving the body.
Alright, so Miss Francis, court went fairly good in favor of your sister, and we were offered bail, right? But bail was set in the amount of $1 million. So we are going to need some form of assets or receipt for something that costs $1 million, or possibly a car title or house, land, whatever you have.
Honestly, I don't know what to say. Because I have nothing in my possession that values $1 million. Nothing at all. I don't drive a car. The house that we're living in, it's a dead left, basically. We don't have no title, we don't have nothing for it.
Miss Francis, so you don't know anybody that could assist you?
To be very honest with you, I know a lot of people that would be willing to help me, but With my sister involved, I don't know. I don't know. She has made it bad for herself. But I am going to try. I'm going to reach out to who I can reach out to and see if I can come up with the money or get somebody to come live for me. I don't know.
You see, because the thing is, if you don't get to pay her bill, she's going to have to stay. She's going to have to stay in jail until the next court date, which is 2 months away from now. You understand? And it is a very good opportunity you got that she's given bail.
I mean, yeah, but it's $1 million.
If I'm being honest, that's a fair bail offer based on her offenses. If we are being honest right now.
I'm going to try to figure something out. How long do I have?
Well, I think you have a few days, right, to come up with it, because the court allow you a certain period of time to sort yourself, right? And I'm pretty sure that your sister wants to come out today.
Yeah, don't sing.
Can just imagine. But see what you can do, man. And don't forget my next payment, all right?
I won't forget. Thank you, Mr. Grant.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah, man. So what on? Alright, do that and then let me know. Yeah, do that and let me know, bro. Me a shout back.
Hey,
Just pull up on me. Say you don't know, say you don't pull up on bad man. You don't know that.
my bad.
Why you frighten me,
I
Yeah, go on. Yeah, man, I good. Me just there look for you, the prettiest one. You know?
Well,
Mm.
I need one favor. A huge favor.
Huge favor.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of favor that?
One
Shooting
that involves money.
money. And you are most so funny. Hmm? Come on, nobody will.
Well, it's a loan. It's a loan.
Loan.
Mm-hmm.
So every time you will link me a loan, you want to borrow. I don't understand that.
Well, nothing else can happen because
Cause what?
no, we can't talk about that right now. This
Borrow
is
them.
important.
You know, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm like a long time already.
Right.
Yeah, come on, man. You have to do me better than that, man.
Well, in this case, it's a loan where I don't need to pay back your money actually secured.
You back?
Mm-hmm.
So, oh, you know some of money?
Well, I don't know. It's for you to tell me, yeah, I know.
It depends. How much money you look for borrow?
Like $1 million?
Like a what?
Yeah, we need $1 million for you. And it's really important, urgent, as a matter of fact.
You know, say, a man gave me a play for me.
What do you mean?
You hear something at all?
No.
You hear something buy a bike, you hear say,
I mean, when we say buy bike, we say for your bike all the time, but no, me not hear nothing.
yeah, you hear things, man.
Me not hear, me just in a situation, and me know say, me can link here, and you reach out if you can, so me just decide to make a check-in.
So you know some of money?
Hey, I don't know if you have money, though.
Yeah, some come here, you are talking in the street, a boom girl them buy crown and me buy bike. And they talk and say, why me buy bike when me can't buy crown too? And you just follow my foot and you say, you want look million.
But me assume you can help, because,
Eh?
listen, just can you help or not?
So to shot me, you say.
We need $1 million for borrow. It might take a while to get it. There is no set time for me to tell you when you're going to get it back, but for sure you're going to get it back.
So tell me, what you gonna do with $1 million? You have to give me a good reason. Give me a good reason. I'm try to see if I can help you. Try.
Well, I don't want to lie. So honestly, my sister kind of in a situation.
Your sister?
Right. She get locked up on her bail. I want mil.
I don't think you in trouble. I'm not help nobody else, man.
But me, I help no.
You man, now your sister just tell me say, I wanna.
But I'm here, because I'm here go through the mental stress, and me have everything to deal with on the outside. She not go through nothing. Please.
So your sister them?
Yeah, better.
What you mean if it matter? Eh?
Well, she got into a fight at work.
Mm,
Right,
what kind
and
of fight?
it escalated.
What she do? Murder somebody?
She tried it. It's bad, to be honest. So, yeah, she get me about $1 million, and I don't have $1 million. But you will get back your money as long as she not abscond bail. Everything will be alright.
As long as she know what? What that mean?
It means your money secured as long as she not run away. As long as she not run away or do nothing stupid, you're gonna get back your money. I can get back your money because I don't think I have it at the court. But I just feel you put up so she can't come out.
Yeah, go give me some time for that, man. Because you know some rate is still, you know. You see, tomorrow your meds alright.
Because it's urgent.
See
Like
it.
today, we need to go back to the lawyer then today or tomorrow.
Today or tomorrow.
Yes, it's urgent.
And you look like, I want you look like you stress yourself. You know why you stress yourself? You know?
I am more than just my past stress. Unless my sister try to kill me.
So look for when I tell you say, yo, make we go chill out. Down on the niggle side, on the beach side, and have some food blended food punch. Look for when I tell you.
You have too much going on.
So what you try say, after head level then that can go on.
Definitely.
Alright, I hold up a girl in her ear and I pray the thing, you know. I pray, you see me? I'm gonna make you know straight up, you know. You me I pray. But them can go and pray. You understand me I say?
If you do this to me, then sure.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure say you not end the show, you know.
No.
Make sure say the show continues. Alright, you are going then. No, say you must can hold your mouth, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Saying, you not get nothing from me, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Saying?
Mm-hmm.
Do something too much for me. I look nice side of my bike though. Right as I feel then. When the ball game come down, man. Watch I know. Hold on upon this. Look upon it now, man. I feel you West that. What you hand feel? Pull up down.
Yes.
I saw the girl that we like. Here. 1 mil that here.
Mm-hmm.
Down to chatty man. So what you say, me I get back the money?
Yeah, but like I said, there is no date for me to tell you, but yeah, I gotta get it back.
Make sure say she know Abscam, where you say that name?
Abscond.
Abscam deal, you know.
Yes.
Because I need back my money. Yeah, whole heap of rep me put in for that money, you know. Whole heap of time on the line,
My
you know.
sister not gonna do nothing for hurt me, so for sure she not gonna do something like that. So if she not hurt me, you won't hurt you.
Right, but you know, remember, and you will do something, not your sister, yeah?
I'm aware.
I want your brain settle down because we need to spend some time together. You understand?
Right.
I don't want you to stress out yourself. You know. See?
Well, after I get this over with, then I'll be fine.
You are going to say that, deal with that. Calm down yourself and then link me back and I have something for your ear and your nails and everything, yeah?
Well, thank you.
Alright, big up yourself.
Thanks.
What the money, I know the ball game come down. See?
Yeah, thanks.
Take your time. Remember now, look at now. I know me give you nothing, you know. See? Alright.
My phone there, take it from the police.
So you're going, why you have so much anger? You're not happy to say, come on?
Not bother with it right now, sis. Me can't bother with that right now. In there so stinky, you know, stinky now, in the think.
Which is exactly.
Everybody shit in the same bucket. You laugh at Cho.
Which is exactly why you have to do it until I finish.
All me then knocky grill and I call the officer last night. Yo, this me, you know. I want make you have to taste the food when I carry come give me. Me not like them sitting here, man. Them a go on like I said, me one and sister go price me. I idiot.
No, I swear to go. We just have to work with it. Make sure you know work. If you go back in there. And remember, see, you have to report twice a week. And you have to always have the book play. If you misplace it, me don't know what I'm going to you.
And that then tell you.
So, wait, you never stand up there? What did I do?
You not ready. Look where you're going to lean up on. Look where you're going to lean up on. You take me from over there so they lock me up. Eh? And carry me come put me here. So assault me up again. Move from side of it. Because me no want you going at this, you know, sis. Right now, mood mind you come carry me go a beach, you know, me get to take off them and burn them up.
This money more. It's good to have you back. How you feeling?
Good man.
You know, like all that sound. You have freedom. You're outside with us again. You see that I'm doing my job. All right. Anyway, let's get to the meat of the matter. So, this money more. I spoke with the prosecutor, right? And he's offering us a very nice deal. In my eyes, excellent, right? He's offering you 6 years, only 6 years. 6 years and you're free.
You can explain that again, let me see.
All right. Wait a second.
Let me hear what you say good. Because I not see it and I not hear it. I not understand what you just say. What you mean?
Yeah.
Who offer you that? Prosecutor, you say? What you just say? I not understand it. What you talk about prosecutor and 6 years and something? I not get it.
So remember, you know, the state is charging you, right? So that person now wants to send you to jail for life, you know, life. I don't think you understand life. It means you're not coming back out. You probably have to do 35 years before you get parole. So he is saying, if you are willing to plead guilty, you can just do 6 years. 6 years not long enough, miss.
Liar Grant.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure say, I pay my sister pay your money, you know. My sister pay your money if you do this job. And you need to get it done properly. What you mean? 6 years. Oh, me?
Give us a second.
6 years?
Give us a second. Rebel, just think before you talk. It's very important to think. You hear me tell you, 6 years, it that better than life. Mind you, you didn't get life. Just think before you talk.
You know, say you got to take me for dog. You know, say you style me in front of the liar. You say you will liar, but hey, actually, I don't want this one in a respect. I respect me and show you now. I don't want this one in your stuff. All you think that you and my sister you can come carry me for. I want to do plan me. I plan on plan this. Who figure out prison for 6 years out of my time? At my age. In a them time, yeah. I decided this. Hey, liar boy, you not even know me, you know, you what?
You realize you have
You don't know me, you know?
You have freedom right
Me
now.
cheap. No, you talk to me too hard. Me come out of this. So no stay and keep on a conversation about me. Me not got no prison. That me I tell you. You not got no prison in this. So must the mother want to know. Yo.
I apologize for her behavior. I'm going to figure something out, honestly.
You need to let her understand, you know. That kind of anger, that kind of behavior cannot take you anywhere but jail, you know. And that's why we are here today. And I'm positive that you can see it as well. You need to talk to your sister. That you have freedom right now. You understand? And if she go to trial, the trial can be drawn out, which is going to cost you more money. Because I am going to need more money to go to court. So I am trying to do you guys a favor too, you know. I am helping you guys to help yourself. I suggest that you pay this plea deal. Because if you go to trial and the trial get drawn out, I don't have to spend more money and then she end up go get 20, 30 years. God, I'm gonna suffer. Right?
Thank
Dark
you.
cases, Mr. Francis.
Mr. Vassal, evening. Beg you a second, please. Evening. Just for friends' sake. How you doing?
You know, see me in a court, you don't know everything, you don't know what happened.
Yeah, but you know me I get to ask you how you do as a friend or whatever. I mean, Vassal, you can't make this come between me.
But I'm not even know if you have a little pit bull sister boy place, you know, man.
Vassal.
Look here, man. Why are you here? Why are you here?
To be honest and just me I go straight to the point. Vassal, the lawyer called me and he let me know how everything I gotta go, and there's a high possibility that my sister might get life in prison. Life.
Well, she deserve it. After what she do to me?
She deserve it?
Of course.
How she deserve it?
Look, let me tell you something. You come on my place of business and all you do is beg and you ask for your sister. Is she cause all of this, you know?
Yeah, but at the end of the day, I'm a sister, so you have to expect that.
No, but what happened if I had taken action at first? If I had taken action and sent her home, all of this wouldn't happen.
Yeah, probably
you keep
it would.
picking up for her.
But it don't happen already.
I'm glad I said that. Nothing is gonna change it. I'm sorry.
Vassal, please.
Look here, you run out of favors. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You don't have to drop all of the charges. Just reduce it so she not have to get life. But we talk about somebody's life or whole life are gonna ruin.
Life is for the judge to determine what she's gonna get. She nearly take mine. What you want me to do?
But I am saying if you reduce the charges, like take something off it, I don't know how this work. Just she not have life, Vassal.
She a go on road, go do somebody else. Somebody else is gonna suffer because of her. I'm sorry, but that's it. I can't help you.
Please.
No man,
please.
there has to listen to me, man.
Please.
She probably end up I'll kill you too.
But
listen to me, man. Just listen to me. She have to pay some accountability for she do.
Yeah, but she's willing to stay for even 5 years, 10 years, life, Vassal. But please, I beg you.
I'm sorry. There's a friendship I go end
You
between
not even
me and
look me in the eye. Just please, I beg you.
Listen, if the friendship I go end, that's it.
Please don't walk away from me, please.
Sorry.
Please, Vassal.
I'm sorry.
Vassal, please. You're a rebel, man. Jesus Christ.
Which part on the island today? Which part? Which part of the island you are at? No, sir, down in the town, I don't want to look about something and come back real quick. Alright. When you come up, you're the Hartford? Alright, when you come up, you pick me up. Here, don't pick up nobody else. Just come for me here. Alright. Alright. Well, Jackie, you still up on the call? Alright, look here. Nobody come. Me call her when I'm ready here. Because who me there go check me just now. Alright. Lord have mercy. You know, sir, you me there go check. Just call one taxi, you know. And you may go check, you know. Because they have one saying, so my granny would have said, your life long, but you're careless with it. For your life long, you know, rebel, but you're careless with it, you know. And when me hear say, you do, what kind of problem that me hear say you get yourself in? Are you me attack to you now, my girl?
What you say?
So all me attack, you not hear me say?
Where?
Me say your life long, but you're careless with it, my girl.
Mind the kind
And what is me hear say you get yourself in?
Me hear you talking about, me not really hear what you say. Me mind the kind of far still, but...
But supposed to. Your mind supposed to be really at a distance, not even far. But you see, no, that's the right here, so with me. More you have to answer me, my girl. Me say, what me hear say you get yourself in. What kind of
Yo.
trouble that? You put yourself
Yo,
in
and-
after me talk to you so much.
Sure.
My girl have full time for you stop them foolishness there, you know. We age come off for almanac, you know. You need to go on an anger management class. Like seriously. Like seriously, rebel. You don't know if you control your temper.
You know I go down at my place?
Why me don't want to hear what go down in
You judge me wrongfully and not even know I go down. I mean, not make nobody walk over me. No time, no all, no day. That me I tell you straight. Best believe.
So
That boy that when me I walk with take me for fool. And you can't style a styler. A style him a style me.
I know it's a rebel your name, you know.
A style him a style me. I mean, I want no idiot come take me for no fool. True, me go work for him. Him feel say if he deal with me certain way. He don't know him a play with me.
You
Go
know,
work in place through my sister. Me not go work the true me did want go off of my own and will and wish. I just me want to get off certain things off of my sister head. That's the reason why I reached down there. Me not even did want go. But me just go through my
But
sister's
something
sake.
you
A style boy, a style me.
Rebel. Sometimes you have to know if you control your temper, my girl.
Me can't control my temper. You don't know what good on. A whole heap of things good on this, you know. Me tell you something, Gigi. Cut long story short, man. You talk too much. No come fi come lay but nothing at all.
Alright,
Me
me
just
like
come
chat,
fi
me
tell
like
you,
chat.
say. I go take a boat and left the place. Can't stay here, so. Place too hot for me. Me have to leave.
So how you mean you gonna take a boat and leave the place?
Gigi,
No bail you under.
Gigi, you don't understand. I can't stay in Jamaica no more. Me have to left.
So me ask you if no bail you depend. You depend bail.
Yo, you think about bill. You think about something me not even think about. Me not even worry about that. Me not worry about that. My sister good, man. She good.
$1 million bail bond me here say you under.
Yeah, man,
So
but
when you cut Ghana, your sister left in all of them problem there.
you know my sister, I want a nice girl. I'm a lover. But, I'm telling you, man, you know, better things happen to she than me, you know.
I say you look on life, I say you cool. Rebel.
What you mean? And nothing
Never
happen to her
say
car.
cool.
Rico like her for a long time. She's a nice girl. So you can't squeeze out here and nothing that. Deal.
If you can have your own sister and you go do that to your own sister, what you would have do to me? Me? I mean, you're just friend. And you're your sister blood come from the same womb.
That is it. Lick the nail on the head. Blood. Gigi. Guess what? Don't put yourself in this. My sister is my blood. You is my friend, you is water. Water and blood do not mix.
Blood thick and water.
Don't
right,
get
which is right.
involved in this. I cut my one cut right now. I don't worry about it. All the money the way they lend me. You know you're not gonna get it back right now, but you see as soon as me land and get a job, you know me I go send the money come give, but I will not send it in my name. Cause not every you all do you my friend, me no want you know me there, you know. Our people number me I go use call you cause me no want nobody find me. Police and police work together. Whether you come from this state or the other state, it doesn't matter. So me have to use this. Clap that.
It is what it is, you know. Because me don't have it in mind, you know. Because one thing my mother teach me, you know. He teach me say anything. You're going to learn and you can't afford to lose it. Don't learn it.
No man, me you're different. You have to get it back. You know me a hustler for a long time. You will get it back, man. So come on.
Anything
Bless
else?
up yourself.
If you can't be good, me tell you already.
You can't give me a beer.
I just drink your last beer and me didn't have, you know.
Alright, look come on.
Yeah.
No, just know so when you don't see me, I gone. See?
And guess what? You never come here.
Jessica.
Yeah, we're going. You can come.
Okay. Are your sister me come but where she there? She there inside?
No, she up on the road.
Where she there? On the road?
Yeah, she got court today.
Court?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see her at court today.
What is this about?
She have a court date set.
But she gone to court. We don't understand.
Okay. So, alright, me tell you what I go on now. Because I was present at court. And me no see your sister any at all. Not even read me no see. So here what we go on now. A bench warrant they would for her right now, you know.
A what?
Bench warrant.
Yeah, but my sister go court though.
Don't worry about that. Is the wanted list she gonna end up on next. Really, if you can't like now waste my time, you know. You sure she not there in there?
Like, my sister just up this morning so she got court. She leave out very early too. And she not come back. So what you mean by she miss court? That don't make sense to me.
Me no want to spill it out for you, you know. She did fi come a court and like say she run off. So, at the wanted list she gonna end up on. Next thing, dead or alive. And me no want to be one that go terminate her, you know.
How she gonna end up on the wanted list dead or alive and she not murder nobody? My sister is not a threat, so what you mean?
Tell that to the judiciary system and the justice system. I'm just an officer of the state. Me have no control over that. That's just how it is. So if she in there, make she come out right now.
No, go on. Go
We
on.
carry her in.
You can't look. Come here, tell us what you know there. What else you want me to say? Me not understand none of this, you know. Me know for sure some sister around. My sister wouldn't listen. Me hear what you say, I'm gonna fix it.
Jessica, I know you long time, you know. So I hope you not pick up your sister, you know. So if anything, you are gonna cry. And the whole family are gonna cry. So, if anything, me I give her a couple hours reach on my station. She should have come with me too, so I don't know what's going to go on. Alright, you take care.
So you know, see me.
You have to say something, don't
First of all, me invisible.
you? Know invisible, you know, but right now, I don't have no time for wasting them. I'm on a run right now. What you say?
That is that you put on say you wear a court?
How
No, me someone.
I judge friend now. Where question me for?
So always court.
Court never good enough.
Oh.
Come in like what judge said to me.
Where judge say?
Can't bother to talk about that right now. Where you have to say?
Rebel, where you come from, Rebel?
Me I come from court youth.
Me can ask
Where
you
expect me if you come from? Where you know me left out this morning and go?
Me never realize that me for sure I never them did the van.
Listen, see clothes on me did a van? When me I come, cause me did I try pick one man go over one place. The bag where you itch me clothes and teary. So me just buy another clothes. How?
That
Yeah.
makes sense, you know.
Yeah,
You know, so that makes sense, you know.
Mm.
We can ask one question.
Every time you question me, I want.
You know, love me.
Of course I love you. You're my sister. Yeah, me love you. What you mean? If me not like you, me not like you, you know, youth. What you ask me that for?
What you try to do to me?
What you mean?
No,
Me do you something? Me left go court gun torment me now.
Rebel,
Right
you
now,
know,
more rest my brain.
Police come here today, I look for you. Police come here today asking about your whereabouts. What you did there?
I mean police come to if I don't lie you they tell. If I mean the police come to if police come here you the police come to and I wish police come here to I bet say the little idiot boy the way you my friend.
What you mean they would have come to hear the wrongs?
You and him in a things they look like you and him dead too.
Oh, so every time when some happen, me and the people them sleep together. Every time, me and
so
them
why
sleep
police
together.
would have come here so me rang door me
Because
walk on?
you then want rebel.
So what me I do? What me do me all alive nobody?
Why you not go to court? Just tell me.
Me go to court. Don't question I, you're deaf.
Why? Why you not go?
Why? I'm going to ask the judge if you not see me down there. I want you. Me go to court. Stop talking about that now. What else the officer to me? Because me the hurry right now. You hold up my time.
Hurry? Where you hurry go?
I don't know for your business.
No, where you hurry go? You need to go put on proper clothes and go down to the station. The both of you go down there as a matter of fact. Me make sure say you go this
time. I'm in court me going now. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock and me second the judge call in. I want you.
Just make up put on some clothes and just go back down there. Because all we are saying right now, it no matter. Just do the one thing that for me. Make up put on some clothes and go down there and make them know say you did their court and it's all a misunderstanding. Simple.
Me not go down there so you know.
Why not? Why?
Alright, hear me now. Cause you see this long talking and you keep up my time. Me can't bother with it. Me I come straight up to you right now. Me no go on no court. Cause no judge can't see for my face. You understand me? Me not go on no court. Right you know? As far as me concerned, me not spend so much time in a prison or life imprisonment. As far as me concerned, me show up in a that the court there and judge say fi me face a life in the give me. So guess what? Me not go bother with that. I cut me a cut right now. What me say me a do? Cut.
Yeah, cut go away. Yeah, cut go away.
You don't really want me to tell you which one me a
No,
do?
yeah, cut go away because you put me in a trouble, you know. Bear in mind, you make me go borrow money from bad man, you know. Yeah, cut go away. Where yeah, cut go? Alright, before you leave, just give me money. Make me start up. Me start the time make you go on.
Nobody go there.
Give me money.
Nobody go there, so.
Then you're not gonna wait then. I not understand you.
Are you your foot? You can't stop me.
Oh, me should have trust you. Me know me should have trust you. You try to kill me. What you try to do? What you try to? Because you mess up my life now, you know.
Look where you're gone. Me I try to kill you. How?
Then wait, what got on when you left? There's a high possibility that me might get charged for what you do. Because me kind of cover for you and every foolishness what you do and me did it. Then I make me go borrow money from man. Money when me can't pay back. Me leave out your first dollar to start off. When me go tell the people, I say me have bills to pay. When me get paid, me look at money can't pay off nobody.
You don't talk. You don't talk. A Babylon a look for me. Me can't turn up in a court. Life me I go get you will never see me back in your life again.
Life. Who tell us you get life?
What you mean? You is the judge?
You is not the judge, so you
and you is not the jury.
Jesus Christ, rebel.
Listen to me, man. Stop worry about that. Calm down. Just calm, seeing us, sis. Warm to you. You see, anytime me cut, cause I left out right now, you know, you see, anytime I reach where me I go sort out back every dollar we you spend all because of me. Me go send it back on you. But you see, if you know, me can't tell you where me I go.
Me don't want to tell me where you go because you're not going to know where rebel.
Nobody really crying you out.
What?
Me have to go leave right now.
Go where? What me I going to do?
Me
just tell me. Just tell me.
Listen, you're Babylon a friend, you know. Me can't tell you where me I go, you know. Just know, say, when me reach, me I go just send one thing come give you no one again, and you just give back that demand there. Me thank him figure it.
Rebel.
But I just say things set. Me have to go pack me things right now.
God, man.
Yeah. Life teaches lesson, sometimes the hard way. But wisdom come when we learn to listen. We used to stand tall, never wanna change. Every little issue turn into fight. Words fly fast, emotions run high. Didn't see pain in the things we say. Only focused on my own way. Heart is heavy, mind get mine. Trying to prove I was always right. Two wrongs don't make a right. Ego blind me day and night. Real strength is knowing when to stop and choose love. Two wrongs don't make a right. Ego blind me day and night. Real strength is knowing when to stop and choose love. Seen friendship fade over simple things. Hearts turn cold, people drift apart. Words cut deeper than a sharpened knife.